Guys, welcome back to Like Sisters. My name is Mara.
My name is Maya.
Today we have our new guest, Yusuf. He's gonna help us a little bit. So we are gonna be making a bottle flower thing. So you need a bottle. You're gonna be cutting in half. We already did this part.
You cut this one like in a half like this.
Yeah, then you do.
You cut the bottom also.
You take off the wrapping right away. So yeah, you just have to. Yeah. You take off the wrapping and then you cut it in half and then you cut it like straight.
Like this. And then you bend it like that.
Fold it this way too. And we did the same thing with the other one, but this one you don't fold it like that. Okay, and you need another top of a bottle like that. So let's get started. We're gonna show you how to make the flowers now. You need to cut a square thing like this. You're gonna be folding it like this, and then like this, and then like this. Just a minute. Like this, and then okay, guys. Then you fold it like this. You take a scissor and fold it like, and then cut it like this, and then you cut it another way like this.
It kind of should look like a heart.
Yeah. So this is how it's looking, and then I open it. And I cut one of it, so you just cut like, wait just a minute.
You cut it like apart a little. You don't cut it like all the way. You cut like
See, I cut one part of it, so. And then I take a glue. So let's just put, wait just a minute please.
You don't need too much glue.
Yeah, and then you glue it like that, you fold it like this.
And this is how it looks.
And then you take a scissors and do it like this.
So it can look realistic.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done.
Yeah. So we made these.
And you make it. You don't have to do it one color. You could do it like rainbow, all the colors.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna take this and do it over here.
And you guys please do not cut the a little. It's okay. And guys, don't burn your hand with the hot glue.
Yeah.
It's really dangerous. Ask for an adult to help you hot glue this part.
Okay, guys. In this one, you cut it and then do one inside and one outside, and keep going in that pattern.
And you put the cap inside and you glue it like this.
Okay, now I'm gonna put a glue on top of the cap so I can glue that on the cap. So.
Be careful.
For the smaller ones, you might want to ask your parents to help you with this one part because it's hot. Okay, now the parts where you folded, you're going to be taking one of the flowers and just hot gluing it on it like that. So, and so this is how it looks.
And guys, don't burn yourself.
Yeah.
Now glue this.
And you keep going that and like that and until you're finished.
Okay. Can you glue this?
So Okay, guys, we cut another bottle top like that.
And we glued it like this around it, flowers so it look pretty. And then we finish gluing here. And our next thing that we're gonna do is glue this on the top.
Yeah, so we take our glue, we put it on top of this. Can you get the thing ready, please?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're gonna be gluing on top of it. Like that.
And guys, make sure you let it dry.
Yeah, we're gonna let it dry for a while. This is how it looks. It's so pretty, look at it. It's really pretty.
It's really easy to do it. You guys could do it, but you just need a parent to help you glue that part.
Yeah. And we did these flowers too in our other videos. Don't forget to watch them too, because we have more exciting videos coming every week. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.